roasted chicken and carrot salad. Hi, I'm Jess Damuck, and today I am making one of my favorite recipes from my cookbook, Salad Freak. This is from the winter chapter. It's roasted chicken and carrot with lentils and chili crisp. Today I'm going to be making chili crisp from scratch. It's super simple. I'm going to use about 1.5 cups of a good quality oil. Today I'm using peanut, and I'm adding 3 thinly sliced shallots, 2 whole heads of garlic. And while those are going, I'm gonna get the rest of my veggies prepped. I'm using carrots, but if you don't have carrots on hand, you could swap out sweet potatoes or butternut squash. I'm also using radicchio. This is a really special Italian variety. It looks like a rose. It's almost too pretty to eat. And I'm just giving it a good rinse in my salad spinner. If you're making a lot of salads, this is a really important tool to have. Our chili crisp is still working, but I'm gonna get going on the chicken. Today I'm gonna use bone-in skin-on chicken breasts. This is a really great way to use up leftovers if you have them. Just seasoning with a little salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil in this cast iron skillet. I'm gonna put these guys in, skin side down. It's gonna be really tempting to take a look at what's going on here, but you really just wanna leave it alone for about 5 or 7 minutes. Drizzle olive oil and season with salt and pepper. And all of this is going into a 425-degree oven. The shallots are getting nice and brown. Just be careful when you do this. I'm going to strain them through a fine mesh sieve into a heat-safe bowl. I'm going to put these guys on a paper towel lined plate, and then I'm going to go back into the pot with this. This is a 1/4 cup of red pepper flakes, grated ginger, soy sauce. That's the part where you have to be kind of careful. I'm just going to eyeball a tablespoon of honey and a little bit of cinnamon. So I'm gonna let this sit, and it's almost done. I'm gonna cut my oranges, and I'm removing all of the white pith because that part can be very bitter. Thinly slicing this into wheels, so everything's out of the oven. I have a nice bed of that radicchio here. Beluga lentils, orange slices, roasted carrots, my chicken right on top, and then I'm going to use a generous amount of that chili crisp. Oh, it smells so good. This is definitely one of my favorite salads in the book, and I hope it becomes one of yours too.